Hello and welcome to Cimetrix. In this video, we'd like to demo the Sapience platform, the latest from our Smart Factory business unit. Sapience was built to provide a common platform for all types of equipment. Here we see the factory simulator, which Sapience is monitoring with a warehouse, oven, and color sorter for red, white, and blue products. And here is the Siemens S7 PLC controller we monitor using the OPC UA protocol. In this view, we see the entire factory simulator in the upper left quadrant, a zoomed view of the current operation on the right. The lower half of the screen, we see the Sapience dashboard reflecting the current status of the factory. Note that as each machine in the factory becomes active, the Sapience equipment avatar representing that machine will change state, from standby to productive, and then back to standby. So for example, you see here that the gripper machine is active while picking up a product. The gripper then moves the product to the oven, and when the oven process actually begins, the oven avatar on the Sapience dashboard lights up as green. The Sapience platform is able to capture events in real time from virtually any factory equipment. In this case, we're using the OPC UA protocol, although Sapience supports many others, including GEM, EDA, and Kafka streams. Regardless of the protocol, the Sapience platform can abstract away the complexities so that factory IT developers, and even third-party applications, can consume data in a way that is the same for all factory equipment. The productivity app shown here is just an example of what can be built using the Sapience platform. Using this platform, we have built apps that configure new factories, lines, and equipment. We also have an app that uses the same APIs and data pipeline to capture and display parametric data from many types of machines. All this data can be stored in a NoSQL database and analyzed using the latest tools. And because every event is timestamped, engineers and other factory personnel can drill down into the data, comparing real-time information to data that is weeks, months, even years old with a few clicks, as shown in this view. In summary, we've built Sapience to be the platform that will unify all factory information into one set of common services. Please feel free to reach out to us to find out more. We are on the web at cimetrix.com.